In this video I am going to show you how can you remove your Instagram account from your Facebook account. So this is very simple. What you have to do, you have to simply follow my steps. So first you have to come in your Facebook and you have to log in into your Facebook account. Then you have to simply click here three line. You can see here three line, and then you have to scroll down and then you can see here a option called settings. After click here settings, you can see here account center. If you can't find here account center, you have to simply search here account center and then you can find here. After that you have to click here account center and then you have to click here profile. You can see here I am on my profile. If I click here on my profile, then you can see here my linked ID to my Facebook profile. You can see here there have my two Instagram account is linked to my Facebook profile. So I am simply want to remove, then you have to back from here and then you have to scroll down for some time and then you can see here option called accounts. You have to simply click here accounts and then you can see here option remove. You have to simply click here remove and then you can see here option remove account. You can see here option remove upper and then you have to simply click here continue, and that's how you can remove your Instagram account from your Facebook. So viewers, this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provide my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.